So you mentioned one of your problems is lighting. I see you've got a nice headlamp up there on your head and you got a side light here. Now we've installed a set of flamethrower lights on your polisher. So go ahead and turn that light on. And tell me if you're able to see quite a bit more than you could before.
Oh, I can see everything that I can't see with the headlamp.
You can actually take that light and remove it from there, snap that into a headband. And on top of everything else, you've got a light that's gonna last 12 hours. Is that heavy?
No, it's more comfortable than the other skin.
Yeah, very nice. You can move it to an extractor. You can move it to a vacuum crevice tool. We can move it to a pressure washer wand. What do you think about that for a lighting solution, Rob?
You know, we spend a lot on other lights to help cast shadows away, and this definitely solves that issue of having something directly on it for inspection and work.
When you get between the light and the paint, what happens? Shadow.
Yeah.
You might as well not have the light. That light is so close right there. Could you get between that light? No. You're always going to have a light in the most convenient spot where it's going to solve problems for you, because nobody likes getting done with a car, pulling it outside and realizing you missed things. Yeah, look at what you can see there. Yeah, you can really see a lot of wash scratches, and if this was black, we'd see a lot more. Do you think that'll solve a few problems for you?
Yeah, definitely a time saver.
So Jim, let me ask you a question. What are you gonna do when you get in there?
That one doesn't fit too well, so I'd definitely switch over to one of the smaller ones.
So you'd probably go to your Nano?
Yeah.
Well, I've hooked something on your Nano. I want you to try it. Take one of those lights off there and let's hook it onto that Nano and see if you like the way that works.
Yeah. I could definitely move it around to wherever I need it.
Yep. And you can really see up in there in all those little areas.
Yeah, I like that. It's very helpful.